Hi, today we talk about the Chinese character for family or home. In Chinese, we say 家, 家. So you see this Chinese character? It's like on the upper part that's a roof, and then underneath there's a character called 石, which means pig. So under the roof there are pigs. This is the concept of Chinese family in the past years, because domestic farming is a major activities for most of the families. So this is quite an interesting character, which also tells us something about Chinese culture. So I hope you enjoy this video, and please check out other videos as well. Thank you so much for watching. See you.